So you have Firestick and you want to add favorite channels and apps to your Firestick. Well, this video is for you. It will be a quick, no BS video, very quick and straight to the point. So as you can see right here, first of all, what you want to do is you want to press home button on the remote to get to the home screen. That's the first thing that you want to do. Now you need to navigate to the apps and channels button and then press select center button. Now, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Just go there with your remote and then just click in the center button. Now you can use the directional pad on the remote to highlight the app you wish to add as a favorite. So do not open the app channel, just highlight it. So from there, as you can see, you can go here and press the hamburger button right here on the remote. A menu will appear on the right side right here. Now you can obviously click move. So once you click move, you will be able to use the directional pad on the remote to move the app to the top bar, and once you have the app in the spot you like, you can just press the center again or select button on your remote. Now obviously that's how you can add your favorite channels and apps on Firestick. Now you can also set up your favorite live channels. So you can go to the home button and then go to the live icon and then select guide to bring up the program guide. Now as you can see, here you can use the directional pad on your remote to highlight the channel you wish to add as a favorite. And obviously, again, you just go to the hamburger button on the remote and then here you can just click add to favorite channels. So that's pretty much it. You can channel mark as favorite will appear at the top of the program guide and under the settings, live TV and favorite channels. So that's pretty much how you can add favorite channels and apps on Firestick. It's very simple, very easy. Obviously, if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.